Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
I recall automated processes where we can manipulate the data both on clipboard and database. We have method step page on inactivities. Method is like action. What action you're going to perform. Step page is like on what page you are going to perform on clipboard. We have a when condition and jump condition where we can do preconditioning and post conditioning. We have loop, we have label. Label is used for keeping a jump to later step. And we have description. I hope you remember right. And next, what are the methods we have discussed? We have discussed regarding properties. Properties. That is used to set the properties on clipboard, similar to set method in data transform. And we have page remove. Page remove is to delete or remove a page from a clipboard, similar to remove in data transform. And you have page copy. Page copy is to copy the data from one page to another page. After that, you have apply data transform. Applied data transform is like to call one data transform from if you use applied data transform in data transform. It is used to call one data transform from another data transform. If you use applied data transform in activity, it is used to invoke a data transform from activity. And next you have a call method. Call method is used to call an activity from an activity. How should you use a call method? You have to use like call space. You have to give your activity name. And you have Java. If you do Java, it will actually open a Java editor. It will actually open up a Java editor. After that, you have an exit activity where you will exit the activity. The control will go to suppose you have two activities. The activity and activity B. You are calling activity B from activity A. Like you are using call method and you are calling activity B inside activity A. Activity A is a parent activity. Activity B is an inside activity. Got it. Now inside activity B, you are using exit activity. Then what happens? The control will return back to activity A. Activity B will get exited and activity B and activity B will get exited and the control will come to activity A. Right. You understand. And you have one more method called activity end. That one I think we haven't discussed yesterday. This is an interview question. What is the difference between exit activity and activity end? If you use activity end, what happens? The control will not get to act parent activity. An entire series of activities will get ended there itself. You understand the difference. Suppose activity A is a parent activity. It has 5 steps. In the third step, you are calling activity B using call method. Now inside activity B, you have activity end. You understand. Now, if you use activity end, what happens? The control will not come back to activity A. It will not exit step 4 and step 5. Right. Basically, it will end the activity overall, right? It will end the activity overall, but exit activity, what it will do? It will give the control back to the calling activity. Whatever the activity is calling there, your control will go there. Any questions till now? Alright. And next you have a flow. New is to invoke a flow from an activity. PEGA set messages. To set a message on a clipboard page. Now we'll discuss regarding OBJ methods. OBJ methods are used to manipulate the data on a database. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.